This is the oral historians of the kingdom of Dagbon, and they are giving the oral history of NAA ZAGLI. NAA ZAGLI was a paramount king in the Dagbon Kingdom. The title of the overall king of Dagbon is called the YAA NAA, which literally means the king of absolute power. And I am currently at the Dagbanli Palace, the king of Tamale. That is the king of Tamale seated at the far top with a red hat and a dark shade. And this is a talking drum.
You do